So as there's been a few fires reported on the group recently, I thought I'd push on with my flame detector. So you have 5 infrared LEDs here on a little board. You have an ESP8266 and you have a rather loud siren which I've had to turn upside down. Basically, if this detects light, sets the buzzer off. Now this is totally independent from the laser, so it is going to be controlled or powered by a USB, so 5 volts. I'm hoping this electronics will fit in the top. That's why I've made I can't turn it around now. That's why I've made this living hinge box to try and fit it all in. The siren will be remote on a long lead. So basically what this will do, oh, I forgot, there's a little potentiometer down there, that blue thing, that you can adjust the sensitivity. The reason for the 5 LEDs is to give you a better spread across the bed of your laser. So whenever it detects light, it will set the buzzer off, but it will not turn the laser off. This is purely just a notification device. And as I said earlier, you can change the sensitivity, make this case, there's going to be a lid, I haven't finished that, and a back panel, but I'm still working on that. So hoping not to have to trim these leads down. That's why this box is quite tall, so it will not involve any soldering, but probably put some hot glue on these pins to stop them pulling off, because they will be sort of crammed in there. Might have to make this case a little bit taller, but then this will just be a single unit with a USB cord connecting to it with trailing lead coming off to wherever you place the siren. So you can turn the siren in the direction that you want it, and also mount it remote from the inside of your laser. That's the theory behind that. What else can I tell you? The components are quite cheap. They are easily available on Amazon, everywhere. The ESP, I said, I hope it's going to be an easy, I hope it's going to be an easy bit of code to upload. I'm going to try and find sort of a one-click solution that all you have to do is go to a web page, click a button, connect this chip to your computer by a standard USB cord, and then that will upload the code into it. Once the code's loaded on, you don't have to do anything to it, just wire it up as per the wiring diagram which I will supply, build the box, plug it all together, and then you've got a independent fire alarm system, which is that is ear piercing, that siren. I need to do some tests on this, so I need to get the case finished and then probably do a video downstairs in the garage doing some testing on it. But I don't see why it shouldn't work, and it's going to be a better detection than having a smoke alarm outside of your enclosure. I'm assuming, you know, if you put a smoke alarm inside your enclosure, it's going to be going off all the time. Excuse me, I'm still struggling with this damn virus I had. Anyway, that's Andy, as ever, wishing you a good afternoon. Continue to make some happy smoke, and hopefully you'll join me in the final part of this video once I've got it all packaged up, looking nice, and it will do exactly what I intended to do. Cheers for now.
Thank you for making it to the end of my videos, much appreciated. If you like what I'm doing and I've earned your trust and respect, perhaps you would consider subscribing. If you leave a comment, I will answer them as well, and if you give me a thumbs up, it will put a smile on my face. Perhaps you would like some of the videos popping up now. See you in the next one.